I'm back in my house, and yeah. So, alright, what did I say I was going to be doing yesterday? I don't remember. I think, oh yeah, I remember now. Let's go finish off my house and gather some logs. Yeah. Because I kind of did, oh, I got disguised. Oh, that nearly killed me. No, it's not hardcore world, because if it's hardcore, I just die instantly and never, you know, make it out. But, I think, yeah. Anyway, I should have told you that last time. Oh, no, but where am I? Yeah, it's not, it's not my fault that Enderman got in my way. Okay? I swear it's not my fault. Let's just hope the house didn't explode. Now we're good. I'll take Pepper. You know, hold on guys, I need to go sleep in a bed. Actually, it's fine, it's becoming daytime. Although what I will do is I'll build it to like 3 like that. Oh, hold on, let me just, because I will actually cry if I don't do this. Because I am not good at normal Minecraft. So hold on. Let me just put continue, keep inventory on. So yes, some people may call it cheating, but honestly it's what I do every time. I mean, it isn't a cheat section, but still, I can never live without having keep inventory on. But anyway, sorry about that guys, that was a bit of a rough intro. But yeah, so I'm gonna get a little bit more done today. I might go mining. I'm gonna finish off my house, that's for sure. And then we can go do stuff. Let me just where's my axe? Did that creeper blow it up? I really hope not. No, it's there. Alright, we can go mining now. So, am I go down? No, that's a good cave. Let me just find a good cave. So, yes, this is my outfit. This is my skin. But anyway, let's go. Yeah, this is a good cave. I've been down here before in previous Minecraft worlds. So yeah, this is a good one. Alright, let's hope we find some iron, guys. Maybe even some diamonds. You never know. Never really been in here and needed. I probably need torches. Wow, oh, iron. Oh, what the? Gotta pick up. Ah. Hold on. I need to eat food. That was not good. I should probably get torches, shouldn't I? But anyway, we're good. I saved us from that. Alright, let's get out of there. And let's grab this, why not? Alright, let's grab this coal so we can make torches. So it won't be dark anymore and actually see whilst caving. Alright, and yes guys, you may be able to hear me a bit more now today because I'll be honest with you, I was kind of nervous last time because that was my first ever actual proper video, apart from the other two which were just kind of mess around. Yeah, they were just testing. So the Roblox ones, yeah, they're just testing. Oh. And now we can actually properly do this if I can make it up a simple jump. Sorry if I talk too much again, it's just my natural habits. And honestly, I don't really know what to say whilst recording the video, so yeah, I also might be a little not speaking. I'm a little odd, okay? I'm odd. Everyone's odd, technically. We're all different, no? Anyway, let's go into... Actually, no. First of all, let's make torches. Because I don't want it to be dark. Oh, and yeah, this cave is pretty good actually. Apart from the mobs, they're not good. Don't like those. Don't worry, I have more food. Oh my gosh, these zombies, they're everywhere. Ah. I got him. Alright, let's actually get these. If we even can. Oh gosh. I'm on 1 heart. That was not fun. I need to get up right now and block up this water. Because I nearly just died. That would not have been good. Actually no, I should probably keep that water there. But nah, it's fine. I've got this. Me too. Right, yeah, let's go caving even deeper. Not jump down, gosh, okay. Luckily I have keep inventory. Otherwise, well, that would not have been fun. Yeah, maybe let's not go caving today. And let's actually just finish off my house. And actually, you guys can watch the painful footage of me actually mining this. No, I'm joking, don't worry. Alright, that was just a short time lapse, okay? I gathered 30 logs. That should be enough, more than enough, actually. And there we nearly go. Do I have a crafting table? Yes, I do. That's great. That's actually amazing. Alright. I'm just gonna craft the door real quick. If you guys want to know a fun fact, just check out. Actually, no. I'm sorry. Yeah. So, I've never actually played. Well, I have, but like, I've never fully played survival Minecraft. So, might be a little bad, you know. So, yeah. Sorry for the bad quality. Anyway, let's go. I don't know if I said that in the previous episode, but you know, yeah. So I should have done like an intro where I said like, welcome back to another video and to the fridge. Oh, you know what I should change it to? The fridge island. Like, I should. But anyway, it's fine. And yeah, I can't tell from now, but if you do need to put your volume up just to hear me, then just do it and tell anything. Just give me feedback in the comments, okay? Because I am not that. Look, just give me, just comment down in the comment section. Alright, let's build a roof. In fact, let's build some slabs. You know what? Screw it. I'm not going to turn all of it, just because, you know, let's sleep. Oh. And then let's start building. And I will make you guys watch this. Oh gosh. Just to annoy some people. Alright. Actually, I don't think that will be enough slabs. Yeah, no, that won't be enough. Ah, I thought I had way more than I did. Oh, you know what? That's fine. All the corners can. My axe is going to die by the end of this house. Anyway, you know, screw it. This is going to take me a minute. I'm just gonna stop. I'm just gonna see you in the next bit. Alright, I'm back. I don't ask this shape. I don't need to. But the roof is complete now, and I will just make a little path to the village, because why not? It makes it look nice. Oh. And then there we go. A nice little path all the way to the village. That was already done, not by me. What else do you do in Minecraft? Let's make, yeah, sorry, I might tell a question. Video, well, not just this video, in this series. So, yeah, sorry about that. Ugh. Alright. Let's let that smelt. Actually, let's put some torches in here just in case it gets dark. That's and on the outside, because I don't really want mobs to spawn around my base at night. It's not very fun when you have to fight like 20 mobs just to go to sleep. And that has happened to me before. Alright, let's make a shield. And, ooh, we need sticks. No? Won't let me pick all of them up. No, what? No. Sorry, yeah, this is not very fun to see. Why am I making that many sticks? No, I don't need that many. Anyway, alright, let's, ooh, I need an axe. I can make diamond pickaxe already. But I need an axe. Wait, no, that, I don't want pickaxe. I want an axe. Alright. Now that's there in case I need it. And let's make a chest. This video might be a little short today. I don't have much time to record. So, yeah, sorry about that. I do apologise. But, it's just because, as I said in the last video, I need to like keep it a secret from the family, and I'm literally home alone right now. That's when I can record these, so yeah, I'm really sorry about that. Just looking for any surface iron. So yeah, that's I don't even know, to be honest. Alright. See now, can you comment down below what I should do to my Minecraft world? Because kind of, my mind is kind of blank on stuff to do. Well, I do know this has quite good loot sometimes, as in iron and stuff. Well, it is underwater, which I do not like. Oh, there's a turtle. There's two turtles. I like that little baby thing. Alright, let's go up here, see if there's any stuff on the surface. Also guys, I need to know, what is copper actually good for? Because like, copper isn't even that good. I swear. Well, that's in my opinion, but like, what do you use copper for? Because, like, you know, yeah. Also, I see that my other video got, like, barely any views. That was after that was, like, the day after I posted it, but, still. So, make sure you watch this video, and, well, you won't be able to you know what I mean, guys. Just keep an eye out for the next episodes on the series. I don't know how long this episode has been, but I might end it here, guys. See you on the next episode.